Last video I said.
So now we need to lock in again. It's always kind of the balance.
So it's time to go locked in again. Pants, shirt, socks, shoes. If you know, you know. Final fit. Welcome back to another episode of
Bis von der Maschine, Walle.
Back with what?
Back with another episode of
Yummy.
Currently working here on a new project. It's midnight now on a Friday. I think I'm getting quite a lot of things done. Can't show you too much. I mean, here there's just like a layout, designing it on canvas, so it's just super easy. And then at the same time watching KSI, so we're making some progress. Come with me and see one of the legends from the previous vlogs. Fit of the day.
Let's fucking go, boys. Let's fucking go, mate. For the vlog. That's a goodbye.
When I see you again. After the sad goodbye, we have to go for a run. Today I want to go for a long run. It has like 32 degrees. Yeah, I'm gonna melt a little bit, I guess. But it's time to go race mode. Yeah, look at this. Fucking hell, bro. I'm about halfway through. Beautiful location, beautiful run. Halfway through. Let's get the other half. Let's fucking go. I just finished my run. It was super hot. And now, first of all, we're gonna drink some water. While I was running, I was thinking about my soccer time. When I was a young boy, I was playing soccer. Now I'm gonna show you a clip real quick so you can see my soccer skills. Okay. Yeah, probably was a good idea to not continue, but I was thinking about my soccer time, and I don't know why. I was thinking about a special sweets candy that we always had at the soccer tournaments. And normally I don't eat that much candy because I just don't like the taste of it, but I'm gonna go to the supermarket real quick and see if they have it. No way, bro. I found it, but I didn't have the right color. Look, those were the best ones. But the green ones, they don't have it. Currently sitting here, doing some stuff on my laptop. It's going good so far, so let's get some stuff done. Yesterday we worked until around midnight again, but today is Sunday, so obviously we have to enjoy a little bit. Now I'm gonna buy some stuff for later, then I'm going for a run, and then we're gonna go on a boat and then a day drinking event. Holy shit, mate. Hey yo, I'm currently running. It has like 32 degrees, so it's like really hot. Just took a quick break here. It's really beautiful. Look at this. Just finished running 5 miles, so now gonna do a little workout, drink some water and get some food.
Yummy.
Oh Gott! Let's fucking go, würde ich sagen.
Valentino Lazzari.
Schon wieder erledigt.
Aber da krieg ich Bauchweh, ich sag dir. Warum?
Content. Junge! Erledigt.
This is what we like and this is what we do at the Lake Chiemsee. La 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 la.